little artists! Today, we're going to draw a super cute gnome together. Let's start with a small oval near the top of the page. This little oval will become our gnome's nose. Now draw a long curved line coming down from the nose. Then make another curved line on the other side.
Help me! Help me!
Great job! Our gnome is starting to look like a giant jelly bean. Let's draw 2 little oval feet at the bottom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a fun drawing adventure. Perfect! I wonder if he's wearing tiny magical boots. Now it's time for the fluffiest part. Draw a big zigzag beard. Did you know? The word gnome comes from old European stories about tiny magical creatures that protect nature and hidden treasures. Make the points nice and wavy. Wow! Our gnome is growing a very fluffy beard. It looks so soft, like a little cloud. Let's draw one arm on each side. Simple curved shapes are all you need. Our little gnome looks ready for a big warm hug. Did you know? In many stories, gnomes are known for being kind, clever, and great at taking care of gardens and forests. Now let's give our gnome a big pointy hat. Make it nice and tall. Curve the top over to one side. This hat is so big, it's hiding the gnome's eyes. Maybe he's playing hide and seek. Now draw a little star hanging from the tip of the hat. If you're having fun drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy drawing lessons every week. Now trace around the outside with a thicker line. Look at that! Your cute little gnome is finished. Fantastic job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another fun drawing lesson. Thanks for watching! See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye!